Hello friends, welcome to my studio slash office slash everything room. This is actually supposed to be the master bedroom in my home, but I've turned it into a studio because I work more than I sleep. So yeah, here we are. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tour today of the stuff that I have around, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, so let's start over here. This is my printing station. I have several areas around my office where I can kind of do different things and film different types of videos. I do have one kind of thing here that doesn't normally belong here, this black box here, which is somewhat ominous and mysterious. I talk more about this in this week's Member Monday, and you all will see more about it in the future, but if you're curious, check out Member Monday if you're a member. If you're not a member, why not? Hit the join button down below, or if you don't see that, there's a link in the description below too. Anyway, more about that later. My printers are, I have a review of this guy, my photo printer. It's the Canon Pixma Pro 100. It's under a little dust cover right now. And then I have just a regular HP LaserJet printer, scanner stuff, you know, the business end of things. And then back over here, I've got this, which is just a photo hanger, and I, just hang on clips different photos that I print out. That is actually a curtain hanger from IKEA. I think it's called Dignitet. I don't even know if they still have it, but if you're curious, it's from IKEA. I've got stools over here. I've got paper and stuff in these drawers, apple boxes. And then continuing on along the floor, I've got my favorite low pro hiking camera hydration backpack right there. And then also in the middle of the room is my desk. Everything in here kind of matches, and I've made sure it all kind of looks good on camera because I film a lot in here. So I need to be able to move this desk around, and I do. I move it all over the place. So there's that, and it has some random stuff on it right now. But kind of the star of the show, at least in terms of my videos, are my shelves. So these are from IKEA because my house is built of IKEA. And they're really handy just because they're really plain, so they show up well in my videos. They're not shiny. So they don't, there's no glare off of them. And there's a lot of storage space. So the top shelves usually have it's both storage and decoration for my videos. So I've got toys, I've got cameras, I've got Lego, all kinds of stuff. I have a little queue over here of things that I'm going to be reviewing and things I'm going to be selling. Oh, so sad. But it's all storage. Everything, I try to keep everything kind of organized in terms of storage. I don't know, let's look in this one. Let's see what's in here. In here I've got, it's not the cleanest, but I have film. I have my action cameras and my Lytra lights in little Ziploc bags, and then just audio stuff right there. So, sort of organized. And then down below here is more storage. Over here, my light tents and my battery charging station. I've got chargers and batteries in here, and then stuff is always charging down here. It never looks good. It never looks clean and nice, but you know what? Does anyone have a good solution for making their charging area look nice? Because I haven't found it. But books and such, bags, and computer stuff. This is my computer that has all of my images on it and my backups and such. And moving along, I have Veronica, the mannequin, and my lights. So I recently did get rid of a bunch of stuff because I just had too many things, and I just, didn't use it all. So I've got my strobes. I've had these things forever. They are Alien Bees B800s. Love them. They've lasted me for so many years. And tripods and light stands, and then excuse me, the lights that I actually do use for my illuminating my videos are here. I will have a review of those coming out, I think, later this week. And then in this corner I've got my backdrop stuff. Wait, let's see if I can get the window out of the way. There. I've got my backdrops. I have all roll paper backdrops. The reason I have all roll paper backdrops is that it's just cleaner and easier. And at one point I just got rid of all my cloth backdrops, and I just keep these propped up in the corner with the actual backdrop stand broken down behind it. And then Bob, my big dummy. I haven't taken a karate class in years, but I still have him. I still have him hanging around. So anyway, guys, that's it. I will be filming in here all week long and sharing videos and stuff. But if you have any questions about any of the things that I've talked about, I'll put some links probably throughout the video for reviews of different things that I shared, and links down below too. If you have any questions though, just ask.